Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use MetaFields on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now logged into my Shopify account. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side of your screen and then go all the way down until you find settings. Once you find settings, go ahead and click on it. After that, go right here to the left on this menu that contains all of the sections of your settings. Go down until you find custom data. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you will be right here. So as you can see, guys, this is the meta field. So there is MetafIelds for products, variants, collections, customers, orders, drafts orders, locations, pages, blogs, posts, and lastly, markets. For example, we're going to click on products. And right here, you're going to find, if you already have products, you're going to find them right here. I don't have a product yet, so that's why they will tell you add new fields to products. Use definitions to add meta field value on your product pages. You can click on add definition and they're gonna take you right here. And you need to fill this form with your name, add namespace and key, description, and you can check the storefront's access. And once you finish, click on save. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.